So I took myself and I scrolled on over to Instagram. And I don't do this frequently, but yeah, this time I decided to scroll on over to Instagram to see, exactly what is Oblique, up to. But, I was surprised to see that, his Instagram is either deactivated or deleted or something. I don't really know, but it said, page missing. Unbelievable! He's done it again! Thompson pulls here! Thompson Hero wins! 10-6-0! Olympic record! Whoa! Corey got to make Devin start winning third. Corey ready to take it off. Corey. Corey number. Another goal. The legacy as one of the all-time greats is surely complete. The Olympic champion becomes the world champion. Defending champion comes back and wins again in supreme style. Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. No, I'm not just saying this, I'm asking you to actually like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Now, with that said, Trackies, I've been thinking about Oblique Seville. Now, yes, I do commentary here. So when I do that, please, listen to the content before you pop off on a title and then tell me in the comment section whether you agree or disagree. All right. Now, with that said, yeah. I've been thinking about Oblique Seville and whether or not, he can, defeat a Zharnel Hughes. Now, why am I saying this? Now, the London Diamond League took place on Sunday and a lot of fantastic performances came out of that. And one, event at the meet, the men's 200 meters really took, center stage. I'm talking about Noralize running 19.47 seconds for a new world lead. I'm talking about Let's Seal It Tebogo also running a new personal best and a new era record, 19.50 seconds. And not to be outdone, Zharnel Hughes had his own fantastic performance running 19.73 seconds. Now, in light of this fantastic performance by Zharnel Hughes, I was asking myself, so what of Oblique Seville? Will he be able to defeat, the current Zharnel Hughes, or is he able to defeat the current Zharnel Hughes? No, I don't know if y'all remember, but prior to, Zharnel Hughes smashing this 200-meter national record, he also smashed the 100-meter national record for Great Britain running 9.83 seconds. Now, on the back of that performance, the talk was, wow, what will Oblique Seville be able to do? And I know a lot of y'all remember my infamous 9.6 video. Now, that didn't just come out of nowhere, Trackies. The literal talk was Oblique Seville was defeating, Zharnel Hughes consistently in training. Now, in light of that, of course, a lot of people were expecting, Oblique Seville to have, a faster, time under his belt based on what Zharnel Hughes has done before. No, a lot of expectation was clearly levied on Oblique Seville leading into the national championships trackies. And, we were looking for something. I won't lie. Now, the heats, and the semi-final, he was joking around a bit. And, typically I'm like not for it, but because I was, expecting something, phenomenal in the final, I was like, all right, I'm going to accept it. Yeah. I don't have anything to say. Well, in the final trackies, he literally dropped 10 seconds to finish third and left a lot of us shocked because that was definitely not, the performance that we were expecting from Oblique Seville. Now, don't get me wrong. Prior to, of course, the championships, he was supposed to enter the Racers Grand Prix and he pulled out of that, citing a hamstring injury. So maybe, he wasn't fully recovered at the national championships to be able to drop a faster time. And that may, cause the result that we did see there. Or maybe it was something else, not sure. But yeah, he eventually did make the team. So thank you for that. But of course, a lot of us, were left wondering, what exactly went on. Because again, the talk was even during the championship, we weren't hearing, that Oblique Seville wasn't at his best. We were hearing that, listen, Oblique Seville is definitely going to come and do something phenomenal, right? And that definitely did not materialize. So fast forward to the present, as I said, Zharnel Hughes has now dropped a new personal best over the 200 meters, leaving me to wonder, okay, what exactly again is happening with, Oblique Seville. So I took myself and I scrolled on over to Instagram. And I don't do this frequently, but yeah, this time I decided to scroll on over to Instagram to see, exactly what is Oblique, up to. But, I was surprised to see that, his Instagram is either deactivated or deleted or something. I don't really know, but it said, page missing, right? So With that said, there's no Oblique Seville on Instagram. So my immediate thought was, is it a case where, maybe he had lost focus for a little bit and he's like, you know what? I need to bottle on. I need to focus. I need to block out the outside noise. I need to focus on me and the goals that I have and what I'm capable of doing. Because again, even the coach himself, there was a lot of talk about, what Oblique Civil will be able to do this season over the 100 meters. So for him to deactivate his Instagram, to me, it's telling me that, listen, I'm refocusing, I'm in training and I'm going to be ready, for the world championships to drop a super fast time. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to go out there and throw out a ridiculous time, this time. I'm just waiting to see exactly what he'll be able to do. But that's the vibe I'm getting, from, the current, Oblique Seville. So my thought, as it relates to, Zharnel Hughes, will Oblique be able to defeat him? Considering that, the talk coming out of the camp was that Oblique Seville, was able to defeat him. Now that Oblique is refocused, I'm expecting to see him do something that will be able to challenge, Zharnel Hughes come the World Championships. Because right now, as it stands, Zharnel Hughes is also a medal favorite, leading into the World Championships, not only for the two, but also the one. I think the one is definitely a primary, medal focus there for him for sure. He's much better than, what we've seen the rest of the world do so far. So for sure, he's definitely a medal contender. And I'm expecting to see, hopefully, Oblique Seville, turn up and do, what, has been expected of him, not based on just the fans, not based on just us, but also what the coaching, has been expecting from him this season, right? So again, I'm seeing Zharnel Hughes do fantastic things, and I'm waiting to see, what exactly Oblique Seville will be able to do come the World Championships. I, for one, know I am completely excited, but again, I'm just gonna be reserved a little bit and not throw out any crazy times just yet. So anyway, trackies, you tell me all in the comment section below. What do you think? I know a lot of y'all are gonna say, T, stop using one brush to brush somebody else. I know I get that completely, but again, at the same time, I'm referencing information that I hear out of the camp, right? So the camp is saying he's been performing better than Zharnel. So that's why I'm saying that. And we have also seen, where he has defeated, Zharnel Hughes this season. So he was on the trajectory to do something great this season. Whether injury hampered or stop that progress, or, lack of focus, whatever it is, based on, him shutting down his Instagram right now, I'm definitely of the opinion that come the World Championships, Oblique Seville is going to be 100% a contender, at that finish line in the men's finals for the 100 meters. So anyway, as I said, tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you make of this, crazy, ridiculous performance by, Zharnel Hughes? And is it a case where Oblique Seville is at a similar pace, or has he fallen behind him? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.